Malay hoi me kainga. Ia ki whahiwa whao ko lotanga ngau iai. Bea ko whahiwa ka nike whahiwa reggae. Tō ia me Alabama e tapahi wai loa ko laktupe. Bea whahiwa ka ni ko konga whakatonga, konga whapalangi. Bea iai pe ko ai ko konga whakatonga ko uwesi pe na hanga pea whao. Pea pe konga whapalangi ke tō mai pe me uhiwa pea me whahiwa pea laktupe. Pea ko loto pe ke wata hafo I te mo he pea whini ke mo whanonga ki ai. Maro ko whahiwa ka ni te toki upload I he tōnaki pe ko e whalaite. Pa ia, ka wate mo saia e whahiwa ka ni. Make sure you like this video. So, yeah. So yeah, like I said, the song is not finished. Te ase whahiwa ka awa toipe whaiwesi. I mean, ko e toipe whai tau. Pea maloma whaiwesi ua pe. Whatonga ke ua ke whaiwesi whatonga. Pea kone osi moto ki hiki pe whai back up. But yeah, ka wate mo saia e ki whahiwa koe ni. Thumbs up. If not, then but yeah, hopefully you guys like the song, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more song. So this week I got this song, and probably next week I have some other songs coming out as well. So I'll try my best to upload song every week. But yeah, if you're new to one of my video, um, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more song. And let me know in a comment what you guys think about this song. I know it's not the best because I know like Dupe is famous artist, but I'm just trying to because I really like his songs, so that's why I'm just creating my own version of it, but just mix Tongan and English. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon, and for the next video of what song is coming out next. So stay tuned, people. Malo mo minha mãe, do Alfato, DJ now.